Nissan Pathfinder. This one's an LE. Taillight replacement. You're gonna go pop these two screws right off. In order to get this off, you pull it straight back out. It's got these little clips right there, and those will pop right out of the thing. It takes a little bit of gusto, but don't try and break anything. Just pull it straight back out. So for your brake light, you're gonna take the middle ones, tongue twist it, pull out the bulb. The replacement for it is 7440. This one is red, one extra right. These bulbs too, you just wiggle them out. A little bit of grease, elbow grease and gumption. Put your new one in, nice and easy. Wiggle it in. And just stick it back in. Twist it back on. And there you go. That is your brake light.